Gawin natin yung... What tayo nito? Ayan. Good afternoon guys. Today is July 9 and hapon na. Kanina, doon na dito si Hunter ni Dad. Mga 10:30. And ayan. Naglalaro sila ng footy. Oops, careful. Baba, you're right. Okay. Oops, careful. And ako, gumagawa pala ako ng ramen. Ito yung base or soup ng ating ramen. Ayan. Pinapakuluan ko lang siya. And ito yung toppings para sa ating ramen. And ayan yung magpapalasa sa kanya. Ayan yung paste. And ano ba to? Cabbage. Tapos ayan yung noodles. Ayan. So, hinintay ko lang na kumulo yung aking soup na ginagawa doon. Ito na yung finished product ng ramen. Ayan, na-assemble ko na sila. And yung mga ginamit ko dito ay kung ano lang meron ako sa aking pantry and kung anong merong gulay sa ref. And ayan. So mamaya, ito na rin yung dinner ng mga bata. Pinatikim ko kay kuya yung sabaw and gustong-gusto niya. And ito yung aking lunch / merienda. So kain muna ako, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our friend Holly, and today we're doing mukbang and we're gonna eat. So we have eggs and eggs. So we're gonna eat now. Let's eat. Good guys. Mommy cooked this noodles, Mom. Good guys. Just try this. Have you eat the eggs instead, guys? Huh? Wait guys, I just need water. Oops. I didn't get water yet. Get my foot now, guys. The brightest outside. Yep. Really? Is this the long one? Yay. Brian, be quiet. Dad, be quiet.
What is it? The glasses.
Mom.
They're coming, it's cold, freezing out
I
there.
would love to have some.
Yeah, later you can have that one too.
Can I try, Holly? Please? What is it like?
It's good, Zach. It's good.
No.
People
Stop
are
eating it
obstinate.
all. I want one more bite. One more bite. One more bite. Right. What's Dad doing?
It's Christmas.
Christmas. It's not even summer.
Christmas?
It's not even summer yet.
Is Mom
Where is
doing easy?
Not
Show
that
me,
warm,
Mom.
it's not that warm.
Daddy, do that, Dad.
No way.
Yes.
That's scary.
Nine. Oh, yeah. Oops. The egg, I dropped it.
You like it, huh?
Yeah, it looks absolutely magnificent, babe.
Good.
Put my
But Dad, I just really found it. I really found it, Mom. Touch it. Good, guys. Good, guys.
See? That is so noisy. What do you think?
Good.
You like me?
Good, cook this again.
You want me to cook that again? Finish that one. Siya nag-request, magmukbang daw siya. Is this Chona and my kids?
No, it's off Holly.
All things Holly. And eto, kararating lang nito. Si Jen nagbukas. Ayan, yung package. Oh. Oops, 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 oops. Oops, oops, sorry, Baba. Tada! And yeah, binuksan ni Johnny Boy. Ayan, yung laman niya. So, mag-unboxing na ako while si Holly nagmumukbang. Ay, hindi na pala unboxing. Pagkita ko lang sa inyo yung laman sa loob. And yes, guys, naka-pajama ako kasi wala namang kaming ginawa. Kundi sa bahay lang, nagluto ako niyan. Ito yung case niya. Leather. Yan. Tapos, ito yung card. Yung ano niya. Authenticity card. Ayan.
Can I hold it?
Tapos, nakalagay
Can I hold it,
20 May 2020.
Can I
Ayan.
hold it, please?
Ano siya? Para siyang ano sa hotel. Card ng hotel. Tapos, nandito yung kanyang cloth, babaton, and ayan. So, silver dito, and pink yung ano niya. Meron, gusto ko sana white, kaso gold yung dito. And ang kagandahan sa kanya ay hindi siya na alog-alog. So, wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Gentle Monster. At saka ang gaan-gaan niya. Ito na yung pangatlo kong bili. Ayan. Yung isa, hindi ko na-unboxing sa inyo, pero binuksan ko na yun. Yung lagi kong dinadala sa Adelaide, na sabi ko i-unbox ko na hindi ko na-unbox. Tapos sabi ni Jan, buksan ko na ito. So, binuksan ni Jan, so hindi ko na-unbox. Ito siya. So, wala na sa car. Basta, ayan. Tatlo na yung ating Gentle Monster na yung dalawa shades. Tapos, ito glasses. Kasi, ang aking mata ay lumalabo na. So, pare-pareho lang naman yung laman. Yung may card. Authenticity card. Ito yung ayan. So, okay, yun lang. Baba, wow, you finished the egg. Good job, all things holy. Eat the yolk, Baba.
Milk.
Kuya Zachary loves it and Kuya TJ.
I don't like the yolk.
Huh? Oh, you finish it, Baba.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I will eat later.
Finish one for the guys.
The guys?
Yeah, the video.
Oh, the video?
Yeah, he just ate it all.
Did you drink your water? Naka-plastic siya, guys. So, ayan, Gentle Monster. Lahat naman naka-plastic. Ayan. Pati yung sa gilid, may mga plastic.
And the last
Tapos, ayan yung kanyang case. Gustong-gusto ko ang case niya kasi unique siya sa mga iba kong case na mga shades.
Mommy?
Tapos, ayan, mayroon siya dyan. Naputol kayo. And, ayan, meron siya dito. Ito ba? Tapos, may butas dyan. Same ito ng isa. Ayan, tas kasi yung isa, iba naman yung kanyang nasa car kasi yung isang case niya, iba naman. Pero yung pangalawa kong bili, pareho nito. Tsaka, etong pangatlo. So, ayan. Yung ano sana, yung gold nito, white dito, sana pala yun, hindi. Yung gold dito, may pagka-blue. Ayoko naman ng blue. Tapos, ito na.
Hi guys, welcome to Chona and my kids. Today we're gonna do mukbang with our cousin Hunter.
What? Okay, I'm just gonna eat.
Okay, Mommy will cook Daddy's food.
Oh, it's yummy. Holly never cooked it. Good. Mom,
Yes?
this is good noodles. Is it 2 minutes?
The noodles, I used 2 minutes because we're run out of ramen
Japanese.
noodles. Yeah.
What?
The
No, it's
ramen.
still good. Mom, can you please give me water?
Oh, Daddy get water.
Oh yeah. I don't know what should I have. Oh, thank you.
Gulo? Huh? You want me to cut it? You want
Me
me to cut
too,
it?
me too.
You want me to cut?
Okay. Just cut it.
Okay.
That just got.
Is this Santa? Not that spicy, huh?
Right, I've got my water on the jet.
Okay. Medyo maanghang siya eh. Kasi, alam niyo naman ako, may sa maanghang. So, pati sila. Si Hunter, first time. Is this your first time to try a bit spicy?
After second. Yum, 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 yummy. Mum, because I always eat spicy.
Hmm?
Because I always eat spicy. I can't even.
Oh, hi, kids.
Because I can't even spill the spicy now because I've ate a lot.
Yeah, you used to eat the spice. I'm just gonna do the pumpkin, roast pumpkin for you. And chicken.
Nah, just on the inside, What's it like, Hunter?
Spicy.
Is it?
I don't even.
You got water?
Yeah,
Which one's yours?
pink one.
Can't get water yet. I haven't put it in there yet. You don't like spicy? No, yeah.
No, it's not that really spicy. It's just a bit spicy.
Oh, is that red stuff?
Oh, kuya.
Eggs.
TJ, look at TJ.
Oh, he's a big boy now.
He is.
Where's the little girl?
I'm nearly. She's under the table. I'm nearly running out of noodles.
Hunter has noodles. You want Hunter's noodles? Yes, Hunter. You don't like spicy? Come on, give it to me. But you have to eat your egg.
Yeah.
Hunter has. Do you want me to get your rice and egg?
I've rice in there.
You got noodles there.
Oh, got rice in there.
You want me to put rice in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
No thanks.
How about you, Hunter? You want me to get your rice and egg?
I'm not going to rice. Can you give me lots? Can you give me lots, please?
A lot of rice?
Yeah, I feel rice in the
You want rice too?
Please. That 10 gallons of water. Oh,
Nila.
thank you.
Welcome. Rice, kuya.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna go help them. What are you doing? Do some moves. We get some.
Tapos na pa kumain guys kanina pa. And si John, nakalimutan ko i-vlog yung pagkain niya. Pero na Instagram ko siya. And yung mga bata, hindi ko rin sila nabavlog kasi ang gulo-gulo nila. Nagbabarilan sila. Pero na Instagram ko rin sila. Andun sila, oh. Ayan, oh. And nakaligo na sila. Kanina pa sila nakaligo. And si Hunter, wala siyang dalang damit. Nandun kasi kila Nana, kila Mom. And hindi plano na dito siya matutulog. Dapat doon siya kila Nana. Pero sabi niya dito siya matulog. So mag-sleep over siya dito. Kaya wala siyang dalang damit. Ang suit niya ay kay, huh? What? Come here. You're sweating. Oh. Ba? Bango. Did you wash your hair?
No.
Why?
No.
When you have a shower, did you wash your hair?
No.
You didn't wash your hair? Why? What did you put? Why it smells good? Holis pa bang?
No.
Oh, ayan, may baril din po siyang dala. Show your gun, Baba. Show your gun. Ayan. What are you doing?
My hair.
Smell your hair? Bango. Pardon? What's that? I can hear you.
Do you want my hair like that or that?
That way. Because the line is...
It's because it's just like...
Let me see, let me see. Oh, come here, come here. Ask the people what side you
Do
think.
you like this side or this side?
No, show it first. That's the other side. Oh, guys, ano lang gusto nyo? Ganitong side or the other side? I like this better.
Why? Because this one's like a top.
Because look at you.
Mom, come out this feet.
There, look.
You like that one?
No.
Okay. Ano talaga siya sa hair niya? Yes,
I
yeah.
want to show you what I cooked at school. So you got the lettuce and you had to put stuff on it.
Yeah, like what we did before.
But it was Chinese food though.
It's alright. Chinese is good.
I ate about 4 pieces though.
Oh, that's good. How about us, Kuya? And si Kuya, hindi pa rin sila
I'm
talaga.
gonna
This is
put
my favorite. This is one of my favorites.
No, Baba, not that
I'm
one.
gonna put some stuff on
I'll
here.
put it in.
Okay, put it up for tomorrow. Akin na, kumuha siya ng watermelon. Ayan, yung...
Watermelon. No, it's what? Watermelon.
Is, yeah, what is it? Watermelon?
What? Watermelon.
Melon flavor. Yeah,
Mom,
melon.
look, I put this stuff in the lettuce.
That's not lettuce,
He
that's
turned
cabbage.
shaking.
Oh.
He turned shaking.
Did you like the soup? Nagmukbang sila.
You like this?
Yeah, put it in the fridge.
No, you have to shake it.
Yeah, but
first.
you're not
You
gonna...
have to shake
Yeah,
it
but you're not gonna drink the...
Frosty.
Drink water or...
But mommy, I think this roll.
Put in the fridge so it's cold.
How about I'll just play instead?
Okay, play instead.
And I'll feel it.
Ayun, ang gulo nila.
Feel it.
Masaya sila. O, tingnan niyo. Maya-maya na lang ako mag-edit siguro. Na-startan ko na yung ine-edit ko, pero sa ingay nila, gumagano ako. Ginaganito ko to, oh. Para lang ba marinig ko kung ganyan, oh. Ang ingay ni Sak, naririnig ko si Sak. Kumamaya na lang ako. Ay, careful, careful! Ay, naku, careful! Diyos ko po, simento yan. Nag-wrestling sila, oh. Sige na, guys. I-end ko na tong vlog. Good night, guys. Thank you. Sak, let's close the vlog, Sak. Kunti lang naman to. Come on. Close the vlog. Come on. Gusto niya i-close ang vlog.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe.
Okay.
Yeah. See you on next vlog. Bye.
Hey, say it nicely to
Okay.
them.
Thank you.
Take to.
Thank you.
Look at the lens.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe.
Do it properly.
Okay. Please like, please subscribe.
Do it properly. You don't yell.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Please
Do
like.
like this.
Please,
You have to look at here.
please like, please subscribe. And haven't yet. See you on next vlog. Bye.
Diba? Ang hyper niya. Andito sila, oh. Ang gulo-gulo. Stop fighting, oh, diba? Oh, andyan na yung isa. Oh, diba? Oh, wala na. Oh, careful, please. Because that's a cement. Andun si Hunter sa kabila. Get up.
My mom was riding my bed and I just said, wow! Mom,
Yung vacuum ko andun. Nag-vacuum ko sa kusina. Oh, careful. No, kuya. Go. Hey. Ang gulo talaga nila, oh.
my mama was riding my
Just in the carpet. Huh?
Mama was riding my back and said, well,
Yeah. Just on the carpet. Not here. That's cement.
I need a drink.
Okay, where's your cup? Here. Get water there. Get water there. It's alright. It's alright. Ah, no, this pink one. This is yours. I put water there. Just careful and have a rest now. Bedtime soon. Nanonood din sila ng footy. Hindi na sila nanonood. Madami pa akong gagawin. Magtutupi, mag-vacuum. Ang daldal nun. Ano?
Mattress.
Mattress. Okay. Close. Ay, yo. Close na pala. Aw, iyo. Aw, iyo. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next one. Good night. Good night, Baba. Good night. Tulog na sila. Napagod sila kakalaro ng baril-barilan. And ayaw nila sa kwarto. So, dinala nila dito yung mga extra bed sa lounge. And si Holly dapat sa kwarto namin siya matutulog. Pero ayaw niya. Gusto niya dito sa mga boys. Ayan, nakayakap siya kay Kuya Sak. And si Hunter, ayaw niya dito sa bed. Ayaw niya sa kwarto. Gusto niya sa couch. So, ayun siya. So, ayan, tulog. And yung mga baril nila, andoon. Ayan. Si Hunter, maaga siya bukas. Mga 8:30 in the morning. Pipick upin na siya ni Dad. Kasi magbabiyahe sila papuntang Adelaide. Uwi na siya. Yatid siya ni Dad tsaka ni Mom. So, ayan sila. Si Kuya. Okay. Tuto na to. Good night.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think